RCP coming to you from Range Street, USA. It is wet. I left my room to accomplish two things today. One, to get my ID changed, and two, to get on the hub at one of the computers. The ID place is closed, and so is Jiminy Cricket Lab, which is downstairs. Let's get some lunch. I heard Astro Orbiters wasn't working, but this is ridiculous. Alright, future me, where are you eating for lunch? At the Diamond Horseshoe here in Liberty Square. Ooh, what'd you get? I got the smoked turkey sandwich, which was delicious. Alright, now what are we gonna do? I'm gonna camp out for the Festival of Fantasy Parade, but hopefully it doesn't rain. Where are you standing? I'm literally standing right next to Splash Mountain. So the parade's gonna step off right in front of me.
Stay right where you are, as the Magic Kingdom proudly presents our Rainy Day Cavalcade.
That way. That just happened. Never seen that before. The Rainy Day Cavalcade. I'll see Festival of Fantasy some other time. So I managed to move quickly enough and see the Rainy Day Cavalcade twice, and now I've met a bunch of friends who are ducks. Ducks! Let's get some popcorn.